Hi guys, it's Drew here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm going to make a copper bracelet out of this piece of 15mm pipe. Now you can get these fairly cheap from the shops, or you can often find offcuts for free in skips. Hammering makes the copper tougher, and it's also more likely to split because the walls of the pipe are quite thin. So every now and again, heat it up and then quench it. This should give it a bit more flexibility. This process is called annealing. It doesn't take much heat, and you'll know when it's ready because the copper will change colour. Now you could have it broad and flat like this, but I'm going to try and make mine narrower, so I'm going to fold the edges in. Just going to set it in this vise, just a couple of mil, and then knock it over. Then complete that fold. And repeat on the other side. Now I'm going to use the horn and the anvil to bend it to shape. I'm just going to use this rotary tool now to polish it up and smooth off any rough edges. And there you go, that's my first ever copper bracelet. Might not be green fingered, but at least now I'll be green wristed. Thanks for watching guys, till next time, take care.